All right, I wanted to do another quick down and dirty video of just some of the stuff we're working on for Tabletop to add inter-app audio features to take advantage of the new stuff in iOS 7. So in Tabletop, we're adding two new devices. This Mastermind is a controller keyboard. So this will let you control any other app that supports inter-app MIDI. So we can just pick from our list of apps, like you can see Yamaha and Magellan and iMini are in here. Their apps are starting to come out in the App Store that support these features. So I'll select the Magellan here. And now I've got this routed to the Magellan. Turn this up a little. So now this is controlling Magellan. I can tap this to bounce over to Magellan and back to Tabletop. So with this controller, I can control and sequence Magellan here. So it's actually controlling this frequency parameter here. So Tabletop is controlling it, and of course I can use Tabletop's sequencer to add sequence data and just control Magellan from Tabletop. And any app that supports inter-app MIDI will work with this. Okay, so I wanted to show the other inter-app audio device here. This is Signal. It's a inter-app audio recorder. So the Mastermind's kind of a sort of classic MIDI controller keyboard. This is sort of a loop recording audio interface. So this is more like if you want to use, instead of controlling the app from Tabletop, if you want to use the app's interface to sort of record a loop of audio, you can do that. So I'll select iMini this time and just tap to bounce over to iMini. See if we can get a good arpeggio going here. Okay, so that sounds pretty good. So of course iMini has all this custom UI for controlling the filters and stuff and effects, so I really want to take advantage of that. So here in iMini I have a little inter-app audio transport here. So I can actually, you can see like Tabletop's in there, so I can actually tell Tabletop to record. So I'm going to start that up. And stop it, and then just tap Tabletop to bounce over, and now we have some audio. So of course, I can start the recording here, bounce over to iMini, or you actually use iMini to trigger recording here in Tabletop. So those are the two new devices. They can be used together or sort of separate, so there's a lot of sort of flexibility here. Real quick, I wanted to show something here where I can take the Magellan that I'm controlling and actually drop one of our effects on it. So now we're running Magellan, controlling Magellan from Tabletop, and then running it through our flanger. So you can start to see a lot of flexibility and possibility with inter-app audio. And we also hope to add a effects device here as well that will let you route Tabletop audio through external effects devices.